Look at the strength into the jackhammer. The jackhammer. Goldberg making Christian think about it. One arm. Goldberg. Jackhammer. 280 pounds. About it. Looking strong enough. One arm. Here it comes. Oh, Goldberg. Jackhammer. This is over 400 pounds. This is. Jackhammer. Here. Goldberg hooking up Jericho. And jackhammer. 4 minutes and 41. Jackhammer. The Goldberg jackhammer. It's a Goldberg. And Goldberg has got Rodney Mack up. Ooh. And Rodney Mack is. And unfortunately for Steven Richards, he's on the fingertips right now. Oh, the jackhammer slam. Front face lock and flair, but you know what's next. Oh, no. It may be time for the jackknife. Don't look, Dave, don't look. It could be their next. This is bad. Jackhammer. Goldberg. 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 Jackhammer. On the bloody champion. Triple H is up. Will it be? Jackhammer. Jackhammer. The jackhammer slam is in. Oh, baby. Full of faith. Goldberg about to. The spear. Retirement. Oh! Jackhammer! Oh my God, Goldberg! With a jackhammer! There's the top win with a jackhammer! Lesnar up! Oh, he got him! Goldberg! There's no way Goldberg's gonna be able to do this to the Undertaker!
No way!
Oh my God! Goldberg future! Up top, there's the power jackhammer! By Goldberg, the cover! He can't. He will! Jackhammer! Cover by Goldberg! Shoulders down! Hanging away Drew McIntyre right here, right now. Oh, got him up and a jackhammer! Oh, Lashley's up! Goldberg and a jackhammer!